360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. And today, as y'all can see in the title, I'm gonna moisturize my waves. And I thought, why not show my subscribers how I moisturize my waves? And maybe you guys could learn a thing or two from my routine. Alright, so when I moisturize my waves, I do it depending on the occasion. Like today, I'm staying home, editing and just working, alright? If I'm going out, yeah, it might be a different way that I moisturize my hair. Like if I was to go out and I'm not gonna have my do-rag on while I'm out, I'll put moisturizer, pomade, and oil. But since I'm staying home, I'm only gonna put the moisturizer and the oil. And the reason I'm doing that is because I don't really need that shine. All I'm really trying to do is progress. But if I was going out, the pomade will apply that shine that I need and actually make my hair look a lot laid, you know, for the occasion. But that's not the case. And what I'm doing today is just staying home. So I'm gonna show you guys how I moisturize my waves just to progress and stay home when I'm not doing nothing special. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into this video. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it. First thing you definitely will need for this moisturizing method is a mirror. A mirror is very important because it actually helps you connect your waves and make sure that you're brushing the way your waves are flowing. So that's why the mirror is very important. Next thing you're definitely gonna need is your 2-6 King Wavy moisturizers. If you guys don't have that yet, I'm gonna have that link in my description. Use discount code JUICE15 to get 15% off, and as well as my 2-6 King Wavy hair growth oil. And that is also linked in my description. Discount code JUICE15 to get 15% off. This is a medium brush, this is a soft brush. All we're gonna need for this moisturizing method, we don't need no hard brush, we don't need no extra soft brush. We just need these two. This optional one right here is a plastic bag. If you wanna use a plastic bag for your hair to look extra laid, you can. But I'm not gonna use a plastic bag because, you know, I don't really need it. I'm not wolfing as much right now. You know, I don't have a lot of hair, so I'm just gonna pass on a plastic bag. Now after I finish brushing with my medium brush, one thing I love about this brush is the straight brushes at that, is the fact that when it comes to vertical brushing, these are just the best brushes to vertical brush with. Next, I'm going to take my 2-6 King Wavy hair growth oil, link down in my description, discount code JUICE15 for 15% off. Just going to apply a little bit of that and just apply it to my hair. What that does is it seals in the product that's already in my hair. Seals it in, and I'm gonna finish up with my soft brush. Now, like I said, guys, this next step right here is optional. You get your plastic bag, you go over your pattern, and then you lay your hair down some more. But I'm gonna skip that step and just rag up. That is all for my moisturizing method. This is how I moisturize when I'm just staying home. And of course, you gotta brush multiple times a day in order to become elite. So this is my first brush session. It is 12 p.m. and I'm definitely gonna do another brush session before I go to bed. But this time, when I do that brush session, I'm not gonna add any products. I'm just gonna go in with a medium and a soft brush, and then soft, rag back up and go to sleep. Because I don't wanna put too much products in my hair that's gonna clog up my pores. But anyway, guys, that's it. That's how I moisturize my hair. Hopefully this video was helpful to a lot of you guys. If you guys enjoyed, please don't forget to leave a like, comment. If you're new to my channel, smash that subscribe button for your boy. Road to 300K. And don't forget to subscribe to my second channel, please. We're trying to hit 10K, me and my girlfriend, real soon. So if you're not already subscribed to that channel, please do so right now. Link is down in my description. Go over there and smash that subscribe button for us. Yeah, we'll really appreciate it. But that's it for this video, y'all. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.